Có. Nắm the need Noah. Is that right?
And my name is Mish, and I'm also a need knower.
Guy, our need knower, is a left hemiplegic and has only use of one side of his body.
Guy really loves cooking.
So we are trying to design a way for him to be able to mix things during cooking without needing the use of two hands.
Trying to create a thing for a ball that to stop it from sliding. Will you mix the ingredients?
Guy would like to be able to use these accessible tools that we develop independently, so without any access to, a helping hand, so he can do this all individually, so it returns his independence.
So anything that we've seen hasn't been strong enough to actually withstand the use of just one hand, because even with the silicon base, they still wobble.
So we wanted to streamline a device in which didn't look like an assistive device, but something that was so inconspicuous that it blended within its environment.
It's just been an absolute honour to be here and to not only work with my team, but to see what all the other teams are doing as well and how they're progressing and how everyone is just talking to everyone else. It's been an absolute incredible experience.
I would say, just give it your best shot.
Just my personal advice would be just apply yourself to anything and everything, no matter what background you come from. If you're a maker and you're good with your tools, it gives you an opportunity to make an impact on someone's life.
Go for it. It's incredible. Like, if you haven't been to one of these, you just haven't had this experience. Just do it. It's amazing.